Umphathiswa wamapolisa uSenzo Mchunu wenze intetho ephambili kumsitho wokuphehlelelwa kwengqungquthela yensuku ezintathu yempilo yabasebenzi eBoksburg ebutsheni banamhlanje. Le ngqungquthela ijolise ekuphuculeni inkqubo ezixhasa impilo yengqondo yomzimba yamagosa amapolisa. Kwintetho yakhe uMchunu ubalula ukuxhaphaka kwesenzo sokuzibulala kwamapolisa ngenxa yoxinzelelo, ebongoza amagosa amapolisa ukuba akhathalele impilo yengqondo.
Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa okungumnumzana uSenzo Mchunu ubeke eqhulwini impilo yamaphoyisa ngokwengqondo osukwini lanamhlanje, wethule ngokusemthethweni ihambisana namaphini ongqongqoshe bamaphoyisa kanjalo nokhomishana wamaphoyisa kuzwelonke uJenene Fanny Masemula. Bathi le nkundla yokusebenza yeyinsuku ezintathu eyaziwa nge-Employee Health and Wellness kuhloswe ngayo ukuqinisa inhlelo zokuthuthukisa impilo ngokwengqondo ngokomzimba yamalungu ombutho wamaphoyisa aseNingizimu Afrika.
What we are looking for here is to work from what we have, from where we are, to a higher level, and therefore we want to solicit new ideas. We want to find possible solutions to various challenges that we are here to talk about and cover. These challenges are by and large reflected by various commissions that have been planned, and the commissions will be outlined properly in more detail.
Ungqongqoshe uthi ziyakhathaza izibalo ezikhula nsuku zonke zamaphoyisa athatha izimpilo zawo kanjalo nalawa agcine sehlukumeza abathandiweyo babo ngenxa yokuhlukumezeka emsebenzini.
Our members find themselves committing suicide and inflicting very terrible pain on us, remaining wondering what exactly happened. Because this is a professional, this is an officer, this is a member of SAPS, from whom we expect highest discipline and understanding of complex issues, difficult issues, from which you should be able to find yourself, find the solution thereof, as opposed to committing suicide.
Ubese balula nendaba ephathelene nezimali zamaphoyisa ukuthi kudume eceleni naseduzane ukuthi incane imali etholwa amaphoyisa, wathi kulezi insuku ezintathu bazobheka izisombululo zeinkinga zamaphoyisa. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngingonobuhle wakwaNdlovu, ngibika ngiseBoksburg.